Town has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wake County, northern Bradley County, southwestern Loudoun County, Meigs County, McMinn County, and Monroe County, east central Hamilton County, southwestern Roane County, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and 2:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spring City to 7 miles south of Decatur to near Cleveland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Following hold!
Source, law enforcement. Law enforcement reported numerous trees.
Law enforcement reporting!
For portions of Hamilton and Wake counties. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Okay, there's so much law enforcement reporting. This is very serious.
Cleveland, Sweetwater, Loudoun, Madisonville, Decatur, Benton.
This is very serious.
And Englewood. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 23 and 70. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County, East Central Anderson County, Northwestern Blount County, Northwestern Sevier County, until 40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Louisville, moving miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Hail. Damage to roofs, siding. Locations impacted include Knoxville, Clinton, Alcoa, Louisville, Plainview, Rockford, Halls, Carnes, Kimberlin Heights, and House Mountain State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile 400, Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile.
Oh my god!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Walker County in northwestern Georgia, northern Dade County in northwestern Georgia.
Go help!
Has issued a severe storm warning for east central Morgan County, Campbell County, southeastern Scott County, western Union County, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 7 miles east of Huntsville to 6 miles southwest of Jacksboro to 7 miles northwest of Silver Springs, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Source, and then call the National Weather Service toll free at 1-866-763-4466 tweet US your report and it's Atlanta. Norristown State Park, Elk Valley, Smoky Junction, and Andersonville. Includes State 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near South Cleveland, or 11 miles north. National Weather Service in North. Warning for 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending to Louisville.
Oh my
moving east at
god!
15 miles per hour.